Welcome to another video of virtual tours at Conestoga. Utilizing our powerful virtual tour website, I will be walking us through some impressive places that you will be visiting regularly as a student at Conestoga. This video will feature the amazing classrooms at the Waterloo campus. The John W. Tibbetts campus in Waterloo provides a range of programs related to the hospitality and culinary arts, information and communication technology, skilled trades including woodworking technology and carpentry, masonry skills, an incredible roofing center, academic upgrading, and more. One of the impressive features at the Waterloo campus is the Culinary Labs. Who doesn't like food, right? Well, the Waterloo campus boasts the Bloom Restaurant, which is the learning environment for our hospitality and culinary arts students. It is a full-service restaurant that offers in-dining and takeaway options for our students on the go. If you're interested in a career in the culinary arts or hospitality industries, this is the campus for you. As you can see in the Culinary Labs, there are full kitchens to help you learn the demonstrable skills needed for a profession in the service industry. Our instructors are industry-trained professionals and have been honing their skills for years. Now you may be thinking, what if I'm not interested in a career in culinary? Well, how about a career in carpentry? Our labs at the Waterloo campus have equipment to allow our students to get a feel of what it would be like to work in a real shop and to make some beautiful fine carpentry pieces to show off. Waterloo campus has the heating, refrigeration, and air conditioning shop. As you can see, there are 4 separate areas where students can solve industry-related problems and learn about the best practices for a successful career in HVAC. That's it for this episode. Please feel free to browse the rest of our YouTube channel for more important things about Conestoga College.